Riding my bike just takes me out of the way really quick. It symbolizes effort, a lot of work, and a lot of passion for me. It's more like a sentimental value. It's more like a personal value to me because it has been with me for all my university career. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready to accomplish what I have to do for the day. I feel like a family here because, whenever I enter into the campus, I feel like I'm welcome. I feel like everyone that I see is part of this family. And even though we are everyone is they are focused in their lives, they are focused on whatever they have to do, we are part of the family. And there's a lot of societies, a lot of groups, a lot of groups who actually make you feel like you're part of something. Do whatever it makes you happy. Just put all the effort into whatever you have to do. And try not to be a mirror of everyone else. Just try to be yourself, different, and always putting your hard work in whatever you have to do. I have to refer a person who is really important, who has been an important person for me during my university career. That's Dr. Alakobash. He's the Dean of Engineering. He has been an important person for me because he helped me finish my career, my university career path. And also my professors who guide me along the path. Even my supervisors, my supervisors over in international missions, they guide me through a good path, to an excellent path. And I'm really glad that I know them. I feel proud of everything that has happened in my life. And I feel excited. I'm just waiting for that December the 12th just to happen and to be in front of everyone grabbing that diploma right there. I'm super excited, happy, and super nervous at the same time. For my parents, it means a lot because in Mexico, almost no one has the opportunity to study outside. So for my parents for me to see that I already get a diploma here, it's, the best thing that could ever happen to them. So this diploma is for my parents. All the hard work is just for them to be happy.
¿Qué te quiero decir, hijo? Que estoy muy orgullosa de ti, que soy la mamá más feliz de este planeta. Que el verte diario haciendo lo que te gusta y entregado a lo que haces y de esta carrera que elegiste, me hace sentir muy feliz. Estoy muy orgullosa de ti y sobre todo, reitero, eres un buen ser humano y eso me hace sentir muy orgullosa.
Yo le quiero decir que nunca desista de lo que quiera. Yo le quiero decir que sea feliz, que lo quiero mucho, que me siento muy orgulloso de él, que no tengo más palabras para decir todo lo que quisiera decir.
Gracias a ustedes. Estoy donde estoy. Que los quiero mucho, que su motivación es la más grande que puedo recibir. Y que sin ellos no lo hubiera logrado. Sin el esfuerzo de mis padres por estar aquí. Que los amo mucho. Y que después de todo este trabajo duro, siempre hay una recompensa.